Remember a few days ago, I had posted a video talking about why I am still using the Google Pixel 6a in 2025 and why I like the phone so much. Well, things have changed a bit since that video has dropped. Google just rolled out an update specifically for the Pixel 6a series and things have changed a bit. So here's the deal. Google pushed a mandatory software update for the Pixel 6a's which activates if you have completed 400 charge cycles on your battery. Now, if you're in that group of people like me, the phone limits the battery capacity and charging speeds to reduce the overheating risks. And yeah, in some cases, the overheating was so bad that it would cause fire. So this is completely a safety thing. Now, the update gives you a warning at around 375 cycles roughly. But honestly, I didn't pay much attention to it initially until I noticed my battery life taking a huge hit. Where I used to get through a full day easily with an average of 2.5 hours of screen on time, I am already dipping into the red by the evening, and charging is also noticeably slower. Now, what's the solution to this? Well, Google's offering free battery replacement in specific regions. I checked, and in my case, it's not available for me. Now, I don't know why this is the case, but I think every Pixel 6a that has taken a huge hit with regards to the battery life needs to get a free battery replacement. Now, if you're someone who's using a Pixel 6a, it's worth looking up whether you have a free battery replacement. Once you replace the battery, the limitations go away. Now, I'll put a link in the description where you can go and check whether you are eligible for a battery replacement. And you also get a few different offers like a $100 coupon or a few dollars off for your next Google Pixel purchase specifically. But I think if you want to continue using your phone, getting a battery replacement is something that you'll have to do. Now, does this completely ruin the Pixel 6a for me? Not really. I still think it's a great phone in most respects. But this update definitely changes the equation if you are planning to keep your phone for the next year or two without actually swapping the battery. Long story short, if you own a Pixel 6a, check your charge cycles, be aware of the limitations, and maybe plan for a battery replacement sooner rather than later.